Beautiful day, Patriots. How are you? We're going to come back to this in a minute, but let's go take some of these parts off the top and talk about it for a bit. So I make kaleidoscopes. Here's a kaleidoscope right here. As you see, I've put the dust cover on there for right now for safekeeping. I like agates to work with my kaleidoscopes. This is a kaleidoscope I've made. The bottom has a light that's got a remote control that you plug into the wall, and you can do the different colors and different speeds on it. This here is not a kaleidoscope. It's juniper with a juniper burl on the bottom. These are both functioning pieces of work of art. Put one inside there. I'm having a hard time seeing with the light out here. Put the other one in there. There's your mouthpiece. So two people can be enjoying this at the exact same time. This is a natural juniper found in the forest. It's got the black on this side, comes from a natural forest fire from the woods. Let me show you how we can move this around, and that's how that works. What we got on this piece here? This one's $2,400. It's got a big heavy base. Here's another kaleidoscope that I've made. This is a Oregon blue stain pine. What we do with this one, I've just pulled these out of my storage real quick. I'm not even supposed to be doing this right now. I'm supposed to be busy. But in this hole right here, you put in 3 wands, just like these 3 that are right here. When you turn them upside down, it does a very super nice, super slow flow. We put that in right there because this also is a functioning piece of work of art. This is the kaleidoscope part here. When you look through the kaleidoscope, I don't know if we'll be able to get it. When you look through, I can't see if I found it. It goes right to the bowl, so when your friends are using it, you can also be using this at the same time. Carved a couple little creatures in there just to have fun. So let's go back and talk about some of the other ones that we've got over here. Of course, this is just a small sample. I'm working on this one. I've got a couple that I'm always working on. I'm always working on something. But now that you can see what the crown looks like, this is the back side of it right there. We're gonna have that arrow going through his head. That's why he's got his tongue sticking out. Let's come back over here. So this one's completed. This one has a kaleidoscope and a pipe that's usable and functionable. There's our pipe. These all have glass inserts on the top so that you can use any type of bowl that you want. You can use a dab rig, a one-hitter, party bowl, obviously a catcher. Let's turn this sucker around. Now, what's happened is, like I said, I'm out here on the fly. Couldn't find all my pieces at the moment. You put the agate back on the back here. I've got 2 of them. And I lost my pin just as it's on the ground somewhere. I'm in a hurry. So there's the back of it right there that you won't really necessarily see. But when you turn this around, you will spin the spinner right here. And you will look through his third eye, which is the kaleidoscope. So what we do is what you just do something. And do it the best you possibly can. Patriots, God bless you. This particular piece right here is a cool $2,200. You guys have a blessed and glorious day. Amen.